Good morning, all. So today we will see one problem of the DFA called as designing DFA for a set of all strings over 0 and 1 such that every block of 5 consecutive symbol contains at least two zeros. Contains at least two zeros. Now we'll try to understand this problem statement. Consider the string is like this: 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. If the string is like this, now if we consider this first 5 alphabets, first 5 symbols, if we consider this first 5 symbol, 1 0 and the second 0, yes, this is the valid. Now if we start with the second symbol, so 1 1 0 1 0, so here two zeros, yes, still it is a valid. Now if we suppose we start with the third symbol, 1 0 1 0 1, two zeros are there, at least two zeros, so yes, still this is valid. If we start with the fourth symbol, we'll have 0 1 0 1 1, so two zeros are there, so it is a valid string. So this is what your problem statement is. Now we'll try to solve the problem statement. Now we'll start with the initial string. So we start with the Q0. Now the problem statement is at least two zeros. At least two zeros. So we'll make first zero with the Q1 state. Second transition with one more zero to the Q2 state. After that, we will have 0 or 1, not an issue, because two zeros are already done. So it will be Q3, 0, 1, anything with the Q4, and with anything Q or 1, Q5. So first two symbols are 0, 0. So next, this can be anything, and this Q5 will make it as a final state. This is what your initial state, DFA is. Initial DFA is. Now, if at Q0, someone has entered the input is 1. Input is 1. So we make the transition to the Q6, and after this, the first symbol is 1. So we require at least two zeros. So 1 0 transition will move to the Q7. So 1 0, two alphabets and 1 0. 1 2. So third alphabet we require as a 0. So 1 0 0. Two zeros are there. Yes, after that can be anything. Because at least two zero, yes, more than two, yes, allowed. Two or more than is allowed. So 1 0 0, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, anything. So it will go to the final state. Now again the consider that there will be 2 1 in the beginning. So enter first symbol is 1, second symbol is also 1. So we'll make a transition, one more 0 to the Q9. 1 2 3 alphabets are there. So fourth alphabet will be 0, and with any input it will go to the Q5. So 0 0, two zeros are done. After that can be anything. First two symbols are 1, so we will require at least two zeros. After that anything, and we will reach to the final state. If the user enters the first one, second one, and third one again. So we'll make the transition to the Q10. After that, 0 transition to the Q11. And with one more zero, it will go to the final state. Because 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 4, 5. So 5 consecutive symbols, we are having two zeros and reaching to the final state. So if the first three symbols are 1, the next two must be 0, 0 and reach to the final state. Okay. Now the user enter the first symbol, enter 1, second symbol enter 1, third symbol enter 1. And after that, if the user enter the fourth symbol as a 1, user enter the fourth symbol as a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four symbol as a 1. So the fifth consecutive, even though it is 0, it is non-reachable or the error. So we say it is a 5. It is a 5. So if user enter the fourth one, then the string is never going to be valid. So that will be the error state or the 5 state. We will say error state or 5 state. And after that, user enters anything, 0 or 1, anything. It will be the error state. Okay. So this is in the beginning from Q0, we are started with the considering the 1. Now the user enters the first symbol as a 0 and second symbol as a 1. Second symbol as a 1. So it becomes 0, 1. Now remaining 3. Out of this remaining 3, 1 must be 0 because 2 zeros we require. So first is 0, second is 1. So we require at least third symbol 0. So 0 will make transition here, one transition. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 reaching to the final state. So 0, 1 and which one was 0 and after that anything reaching to the Q5. So the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the 5 symbols. And out of that 5, first 0, second 0, the third 0 and reaching to the final state. Now, first symbol is 0, second symbol is 0. After that anything. Yes. Because 2, 0 already done. So this is for Q0 state, Q1 state, Q2. Now at Q5 state, suppose Q5 state, the user enters the 0. User enters the 0. So if we consider from the Q1, first 0, anything, anything, anything. So only 1 0 is there. So at Q5, if the suppose user enters 0, Q5 user enters 0, we will jump to the Q1 state because if we consider the from second, so there will be total 6. So first 0, anything, 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 the last must be 0. So it will go to the Q1 state. Now Q1 state of this Q5, Q1 state of Q5 will go to the Q6. So one transition from Q5 will go to the Q6. So you just try with anything, you will get the required the DFA. Now to make all this string, all this string as a valid string. So what we'll do, we'll make all state as a final state, all state as a final state, all state as a final state, all state as a final state. Only when we are not getting the 5 consecutive ones, so then we'll have the error state. So this is all about the, even though 1 is there, so 1, 1, 1, 0, and if it is getting 1, we will go to the error. Okay. Now, if the user enters, this is for Q1. Okay. Now, if the user enters the first 0, 1. If the user enters 0, we will follow this path. If the user enters 0, then 1, and again 1, again 1. We will make here. So 1, 0, 1, 1, second 0, and next can be anything. If the user enters first 0, then 1, 1, 1, 1, so then 0, and this is the final state. And here, if the user enters 1, we are going to the, because the 0, 1, 1, 1, 3 ones are there, fourth 1. 1, 0 is done, 4 times 1 we are getting. So out of 5, 4 are 1, so it is never going to be valid. So this is the DFA for consecutive 5 symbols with at least 2 zeros. Okay, thank you.